Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix an Instagram white screen. So guys, when you open your Instagram app and facing the issue that only white screen showing on your display. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, simply you can fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings, and guys, after this, click on Wi-Fi and make sure that Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if already connected your Wi-Fi, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget your Wi-Fi, and after this you need to reconnect it again with your phone. So guys, if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. So guys, after doing this you need to go back and open your settings again. So guys, after doing this you need to scroll it down, and here you need to find app management. Click here and click on app list, and guys, after this here you need to find Instagram. So guys, how can you find? Here you need to search Instagram, and guys, after this here you can see Instagram is this. You need to click on Instagram, and guys, after this you need to click on storage and cache. Click here simply, and guys, after this click on clear cache and clear storage and click on OK. So guys, after doing clear storage you need to go back, and guys, after this you need to open your Play Store. So guys, if you are using Android, then you need to open your Play Store, and if you are using iPhone, then you need to open your App Store in that phone. And guys, after this here you need to search Instagram. Click on Instagram and click on Instagram app, and here is the option of update. So guys, simply you need to update your app, and guys, after updating you need to go back, and the last method is you need to open your settings again, and guys, after this you need to scroll it down, click on system, and guys, after this here is the option of reset phone. So guys, simply you need to click here, and here is the option of reset Wi-Fi settings. Click here, and guys, first of all you need to select sim1 and click on reset, and after this click on sim2 and click on reset. So guys, after resetting both sims and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open your Instagram app smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.